Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the left section scroll to find sounds and vibration. Right here we have to tap on this ringtone option, and we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. To listen how the particular ringtone sounds, we have to tap on it. So maybe a little bit... Oh, we can use this one. So this is how it works, and let's pretend that I want this comment to be set as my default ringtone. Just make sure that the option like to use is marked and go back, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.